Hello everyone, my name is Peter. I'm from thesupportzone.com and the purpose of thesupportzone.com is to offer bookkeeping services to small business owners. So with the help of today's video, we are going to see how we can validate the Quicken file. If I say the reason to make this video, in the past, several of my clients faced Quicken data damage issue or something related to their Quicken data, and Quicken data damage issue generally arises when the user is using the same company file from last several years. There was a case with one of my customers, like he was using Quicken since 1990 and he was using the same Quicken data file. The size of the file was very big as well, and somehow he was unable to pull up the Quicken data file, but we managed to pull up the backup where he lost a couple of his information. But yes, the reason to make this video just to show you how you can validate your Quicken data file. Okay, so in order to validate your Quicken data file, first you need to go ahead and open Quicken, and this validate the Quicken file works only on Windows Quicken. Okay, that does not works on the Quicken for Mac. This functionality is available only for Quicken for Windows. Okay, so this video is, I believe, is gonna be only for the users who are using Quicken on the Windows. Okay, so let's go ahead and let me show you here, and let me close this. All right, so here first, once the Quicken is open, go to File menu at the top, then go to Validate and Repair File, then click on Validate File, make a check on this and click on OK. It will going to take some time depending on the size of your Quicken file. In my case, it went quickly because I have a small Quicken data file. I have set up this file a couple of weeks ago. That is the reason it did it quickly. But if you found any logs like which says data damage or something like that, or something related to dead data, my suggestion is to contact the Quicken support. They can help you to get the problem fixed. Also, there is one more way to do the validate the functionality. This is some kind of inbuilt functionality of Quicken. Not a lot of the users are aware about it. There is a function called super validate. We just validate. There is a function called super validate, and let me show you how you can do that as well. Go to File menu, and then when you see here Validate and Repair File. Okay, before you click on Validate and Repair File, press down Control and Shift keys together. Okay, and while pressing the keys, click on Validate and Repair File. Here you can see now it says Super Validate File. Let me show you again. Okay, let's say you would like to do the validate. Go to File and click on Validate and Repair File. You can see the option here, Validate File here. Okay, so in order to do the super validate, go to File menu, press down Control and Shift keys together, and while pressing both of the keys at the same time, click on Validate and Repair File. Here we go. You can see. So you just need to make a check on this, and it will gonna create a report or the logs after doing the, you can say, validation of your Quicken file. Make a check and then click on OK. And here you can see it is super validating your file. If you have a file password onto your Quicken, it will gonna ask you to create a one, or just ignore that one on that window if you receive that window. Okay, and you can see the data log comes up here and it says no read errors, all consistency checked passed, all the internal consistency checked passed. So if you're not that kind of a technical person, no need to worry about these things. These steps are the basic steps just to verify the data. But there is one recommendation for you. If you are using Quicken from a long time, try to create a new Quicken file. Keep the current one in the same way. Just keep it in Quicken like this way, so you can pull it up anytime whenever you need it. But create a new Quicken file if you believe the size of the file is very big. And there is a question arised, how can I know the size of my data file? Okay, in order to check that thing, go back to File menu, click on Show this file on my computer. Okay, when you click on this, show this file on my computer. Okay, File Explorer window will pull up, and here you can see the size of the file here. It is only 1500 kilobytes. This is very small file. As I said, I recently created this one. That's why. But yes, I have seen people having like more than 100,000 kilobytes data size file or something like that, which is not recommended. But yes, my suggestion is to keep the file size small, or if there is a possible chance for you, just to create a new Quicken file, set up the accounts into that, and try to download the information. And if you want to get some kind of assistance related to Quicken, related to that, or related to Quicken bookkeeping, you can contact me over to my contact information. This is my website. You can visit my website. You can fill up the inquiry form and I will be there to respond you. This is my contact phone number. You can contact me on this phone number, and this is my contact email address. You can reach me on this email and I will respond to it as soon as I receive it. Okay. There is one more update that I have recently created Quicken playlist, and I'm showing all kind of tutorials how you can get benefit out of Quicken to track your personal finances as well as your small business finances. Okay. So the link of the playlist is also mentioned below. You can go ahead and watch it. And if you like the content, please do like the video, do subscribe my channel, and do comment if you have any doubts or any questions. Okay, I will be there to help you with anything related to Quicken or QuickBooks. All right, so that was it for this video. If you have any doubts, any questions, please do reach out to me in the comments section below and I will be there for you. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye bye.